you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be stuffing my sinking funds. All I'm going to be doing today is just stuffing the cash envelopes with the amount that I'm going to be stuffing them with. I'm not going to count how much I have in my sinking funds, and the reason why is because I am going to save that video for the end of the month of February. I already recorded my end of the month sinking fund counting for the month of January, so if you guys haven't watched that video, then I will put it up here so that you guys can watch that. So the only thing I'm going to be doing today is just stuffing the envelopes with the amount that I have to stuff them with. And so before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so right here in my little notebook, I hope you guys can see this. So basically what I have is I have sinking funds February 2021, and then I have all of my sinking funds categories listed over here, and then right here it says beginning balance. So basically like I said, at the end of January, I counted all of my sinking funds to see how much I had in each category, and this is what was left in each category. So this amount is the beginning amount for the month of February, so that's why I have beginning balance. And then the ending balance is once I stuff these, and then at the end of February, when I go ahead and count my cash envelopes, I'm going to see what the new balance is. And then right here it says sinking fund total balance, and this is just pretty much how much the ending balance I have total. So basically how much I have saved in sinking funds. So once I find out what my new totals are, I'm going to calculate all of those up, and then I'm going to put that total here so that we can see how much money I saved for my sinking funds for the month of February. So I'm super excited about that, and so I just decided to write this down just so that I can keep track. And so that is what this is for, you guys. So I do have my money right here. Let me scoot this down a little bit. So I do have my money right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and get these bills exchanged. Well, sorted out, I mean. Okay, so I got all of my bills sorted out. And so the first sinking funds binder we're going to start with is we're going to go ahead and start with the gold and white one. So we're going to start with birthday first. And today, birthday is going to be getting stuffed with $1,250. And give me 1 second, you guys, because I need to find my my paper. Okay, so yeah, today birthday is going to be getting stuffed with $1,250, and then I am also going to be using my 1K slip because I don't want to keep all of those hundreds in my wallet, so I'm going to be exchanging those 10 $100 bills for this 1,000 slip. So we are going to go ahead and get our 1250. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 100, 200, and then 50. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab my $1,000. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So I'm going to take this $1,000 right here. And then I do have this envelope right here. And on the back, it has birthday, just so that I can know what money this is. And then I already have $1,000 in here already, so I'm going to just go ahead and stuff this $1,000 in here. And then what I do with this envelope is that I just keep this into my safe. And so we are going to go ahead and put this to the side. And then I already have a 1K slip in here already, so let's just go ahead and get this organized. Bear with me, guys. Okay. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 800. So we have $2,800 in our birthday fund. And you know what? I just realized that I just said that I was not going to count this money. And what did I do? I ended up counting this money. So this is the only envelope that I'm going to count for real, you guys. So I did go ahead and add $1,250 to this envelope. So let me just go ahead and write that down. So we have today is the 5th, and then I put 1,250, but we're not going to, and I guess we'll just go ahead and put what the ending balance is, since I did go ahead and count that already. So the ending balance is at $2,800. So this is the only one that I'm going to be counting, you guys. I completely forgot. So let me just double check this to make sure this is 2,800. So 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 800. Okay. $2,800 in our birthday envelope. Okay, the next envelope is going to be Christmas, and Christmas is going to be getting stuffed with $167. So we're going to go ahead and grab 100. We're going to grab 3 20s, a 5, and 2 1s. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me just make sure this is 167. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, and 7. So we're just gonna go ahead and stuff this inside of the Christmas envelope. And again, we are not going to count. And then let me just take this out so that I can mark it down. So the 5th deposited $167. Okay, just so that we can know when I deposit it. And then, you know what, you guys? I keep on forgetting to take out Valentine's Day. Let me just go ahead and take out this envelope. The next envelope we have is homeschool. And then today, homeschool is going to be getting stuffed with $50. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab 150. I'm going to go ahead and stuff that. And then the 5th plus $50. And then the next envelope we have YouTube. And today YouTube is going to be getting stuffed with $50 as well. So let me just go ahead and grab a 50. Let's just go ahead and write this. Okay. Next up we have giveaway, and today giveaway is going to be stuffed with $60. So let's go ahead and grab 3 20s. So we do have 20, 40, and 60. Okay, plus 60. And then we have car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be stuffed with $100 today. So we're just going to go ahead and grab this $100 bill. Okay. And then lastly, now we have car registration. So car registration is going to be getting $50 today. So I'm just going to grab a $50 bill right here. Fifth plus 50. And then we have YouTube taxes, and YouTube taxes is going to be getting stuffed with $50 as well. So we're going to go ahead and grab this $50 bill. Okay, and then lastly, we have my cell phone bill envelope. And then actually, you guys, I thought that I was going to be stuffing this sinking funds envelope, but I'm binder, but I'm actually not going to be stuffing this one today. The only one that we are going to be stuffing is going to be the gold and white one. So the last envelope we have is for my cell phone bill. And so today's cell phone is going to be getting stuffed with $125 plus 125. Okay, we have 125. So this video is actually shorter than I thought. For some reason, I thought that I was going to be stuffing my black sinking funds binder as well, but I'm not. So we went ahead and stuffed the cell phone with $125. And so basically, when I do stuff this sinking fund binder right here, this is mainly whenever I get like extra money or something like that. I'm thinking really hard if I'm going to start stuffing this binder with my money that I make from selling my coupon and stockpile every month, because during the month of January I did make $420 just from selling my coupon and stockpile. And then I'm thinking if I'm going to start just depositing that money into these sinking funds. I'm still thinking on it. So this one is not going to be getting stuffed today. And so that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down in the comment section, because that really lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying the type of content that I'm putting out. And it means so much to me when you guys engage on my videos and when you like and share my videos. So again, that is going to be it for this video, you guys. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.